clearly the Philippines still has a lot of runway ahead of it in terms of attaining that energy nirvana or equanimity to put us at par with the best in class around the region and the greater Asia-Pacific region. And certainly, while there are challenges, I thought to myself that great opportunities. Consider, for example, that in ASEAN, the Philippines is the second most populous country, next to Indonesia. We've had tremendous economic growth. Last year, we clocked about 6.8% growth. Among the ASEAN, 6 or 7 were the best in terms of growth rate, and this has been happening for the last 2 or 3 years. We have a good balanced portfolio, and yet, as of April of this year, I checked, our per capita consumption of power, we were pretty much lagging behind, excluding Brunei, considering the ASEAN 6, we're at 6. And this flies in the face of our GDP performance. Per capita GDP, we're close 5th to Indonesia. So really there's a bit of a disconnect in how we performed economically and how much we can perform better in terms of our energy robustness. Consider also that we have about 21 gigawatts, 21,000 megawatts of installed capacity. And arguably, a very well-balanced portfolio. We've restructured our power sector such that, with the aim of increasing competition, attracting investments, reducing inefficiencies. And yet, we lag still behind in terms of per capita installed capacity in the region. And we are still cited as having very high prices of power in the region. Of course, we all know that there are no subsidies to these prices. So a lot of people see challenges, but we'd like G to see opportunities here and the ability to collaborate and work together to make an energy future that is well worth our time and our effort collectively. So the idea for this day's event is really to consider that the Philippines is at the crossroads today of our energy ecosystem development. And it's timely because the march of technology is fast and furious. The intersection between the digital and the information technology, the operational technology, and the industrial and the physical is inevitable. It's changing the calculus of how sectors do business across the entire spectrum. And the energy sector is no exception. We are not immune. So we need to collectively gather our strength and our thoughts and work together and collaborate to harvest the advantages and the benefits and the opportunities for this. We have a great agenda and topics for discussion this morning and great breakout sessions later because, as you know, technology is in the forefront. How do we use the best clean technology in, let's say, coal-fired power plants? How do we harvest the opportunities from gas generation? And renewables is something that we need to pay serious attention to as well. And overlying this is digital economy. So we'd encourage everyone to discuss, debate, dissect, criticize, but keep an open mind. Take a look at the challenges and the issues, the root cause, the RCA, root cause analysis of what is keeping us here, despite the fact that we seem to be doing all the right things, and how to move forward. And my ask, there's no free lunch, as you know, is to walk away and come away with a concrete idea or thought of how you, in your respective jobs and respective companies, whether you're private or public, can help and contribute. There is tremendous opportunity. As I was saying earlier, opportunities do not materialize into benefits if we do not execute properly. So today is about idea generation, collaboration, thought sharing, developing a blueprint for an ecosystem that works for all stakeholders, but more importantly, execution and working with our partners in government, working with our customers across the spectrum to make the energy sector a better sector for all of us. I will stop there. We have a busy agenda. I'd like to welcome you again and thank you very much for your coming. And have a great day ahead of you. Thanks very much.